Hello everyone, welcome back for another tutorial video. For today's video I will gonna show you the full guide tutorial on how to download and install GTA 5, then play it offline on your mobile devices using Winlator emulator. But before we proceed, don't forget to follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel and FB page so that you will become updated if I have a new upload videos. By the way, let's proceed. First step, download these two applications and also download GTA 5 game files. I'll put all the link in the description of this video. Then after that, open the app, scroll down, then go to download folder, scroll down, then install Winlator. Then after that, go back. Then click here. Then create GTA 5 folder. Then after that, click GTA 5 game file part 1. Then click extract. Then click the GTA 5 folder that you've made before. Then click here to extract the file. Then go back. Then click GTA 5 game file part 2. Then click extract. Then click GTA 5 folder. Then click here to paste the file. Then put check here. Then click replace. Then same process on the other files. All you need to do is to extract all game files inside the GTA 5 folder. So in short guys, we need to combine all game files part into one game by extracting it in one folder. So guys, it will take a long time to extract all these files, so I'll cut this part of this video to avoid our video become longer.
2,000 years later.
So now guys, we're done extracting all the game files part. Now all we need to do is to set up the settings of Winlator and settings of the game. Go to home screen. Then open Winlator. Then allow some permission. Then wait for the system files installation. Then click here. Then click settings. Then click here. Then click performance. Then click this check button to save. Then click this plus icon. Then here guys, we have to customize our container settings to avoid lag. Just follow what I'm doing in the video. On screen size 1280x720. Then on graphics driver you need to choose Vortex Universal if your chipset is Mediatek, but if your chipset is Snapdragon like mine, change it to Turnip and Reno. Then click here. Then click here. Then click 24.1.0. Then click OK. For DXVK, click here. Then click here. Then click 1.10.3. Then click OK. Then for audio driver, click here. Then click Pulse Audio. Then swipe here. Then click Advance. Then scroll down. Then put check on every CPU available. Then click here. Then click Aggressive. Then click here. Then click Windows 10. Then click this check icon to save. So I landscape it. For the better view, open the container. So guys, we need to find the GTA 5 folder that we've made before. Just follow what I'm doing in the video. To open folder, just double click your screen guys. Then we need to create a GTA 5 shortcut launcher. Select it with mouse arrow. Then hold screen using your thumb. Then right click it on screen using your other finger. Then select create a shortcut, then double click. Now we're done. Let's go back to Winlator home screen. Then click here. Then click shortcuts. Then click here. Then click settings. Then go to advanced settings. Then click here. Then click Virtual Gamepad. Then put check on Force Full Screen. Click here to launch the game. And please don't skip guys, because I'm going to show you how to full screen and customize your virtual controller. So guys, as you can see, it's not full screen and the virtual controller are messed up, so I'll help you to customize it. Go to the settings of the game by clicking here. Then copy my settings, just follow what I'm doing in the video. For the controller, just follow my steps on this video.
Nobody pays attention, no one gets hurt! Go! Open the door! They'll get worse than hurt! Hey! Hey! Ah! Come on! Ah, finally! Don't do anything! Let's go! Shut up! Shut the fuck up! Hands behind your back!
Come on, mister. We're giving you everything you want.
Don't even think about it!
I'll do it, I'll do it. Oh, God.
Get in there!
Sit tight! I'll handle the plastic!
Don't blow yourself up! Listen up! In the back! Come on!
What's he doing?
Hurry!
He's gonna kill us in here. Leave us alone. We didn't do shit to you.
All set! Phone it in!
All right,